Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by measuring the corner precisely. Angle and height matter because uneven corners change how paper sits. Once done, clean and prime the wall so paste bonds. This reduces slipping. Make your initial cuts leaving 10-20 mm extra at top and bottom, and if the paper is pre-pasted, score the backing to activate adhesive evenly. You do this immediately so the next step, hanging and aligning, goes smoothly, and you won't need to recut under. You now hang the first strip beside the corner and leave about 1/2 inch extra to fold into the uneven corner. This compensates for bulges. Once the strip is up, smooth from the center out with a soft brush to expel air and paste. This helps prevent bubbles. When the adjacent strip goes up, align the pattern precisely, then use a seam roller gently on the joint to lock fibers. Make small trims with a sharp blade for a neat overlap. You finish by trimming excess along top and bottom using a straight edge and a fresh blade, and then tuck leftover paper into the corner with a plastic spatula so it follows the wall contour. Once trimmed, wipe away paste with a damp sponge. Allow seams to dry 12 to 24 hours before replacing baseboards. If a bubble appears, lift the strip slightly, reapply paste, and smooth. If a gap shows, insert a thin filler strip and press with a roller. This preserves pattern and adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.